Turns out horses play fetch this way. Interesting.
Nay. Booty's so big.
Dog logic. Surely someone just pushed me. Donkey B&B. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to sticks. New sheriff in town. Watch out for those breadcrumbs. My cat and his new best friend. Come to my house for dinner.
I mean, they're serious about us.
There are some residents preferring to sleep at night, and some do not.
Really, Chrome? Really? I can't leave you alone for 2 seconds, and this is what you do? Really?
When you're tiny and you finally get a seat at the cool big kid table.
Oh my god, that's
Listen up, guys. This tunnel game is extremely interesting. Play it with your cat. Me and my to-do list. The struggle is real. First day at a new school. Zebra boy be like, wait for me, I got little legs.
No.
Me trying the water yourself trick to grow taller. Results may vary.
Look at her just...
Today is Mr. Bird's harvest day. Looks like a bumper crop this year.
sushi. Just figured out what is.
This is my cat after watching Shawshank Redemption twice.
Oh no!
When Mum said it was time to go to bed, hold your horse, man. He must have mistaken it for F1.
Saved this bird from a crow, and I don't know.
Snow White in real life, because she even had that little feathered friend.
Are you coming with me?
Look at this new lifeguard. Too cute, too cool to get wet.
어머 방금 어이구
standing out from the crowd, they said, and be like,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
when your granny comes for a visit, but she forgot to bring your snacks.
Just hanging around.
We've all seen that look. It's just a friendly reminder that petting time isn't over yet. You sweep and I mess. That's how Kitty helps with chores. Do you have a special connection with animals? Share your stories. Free massage? Not quite. This dog is falling victim to a feathery therapist.
Mia wants to plant the garden with Emily. Squirrel.
Nobody but this duck with next level street style.
Nico, you broke the bed.
Look at this horsey merry-go-round. They're living their best carousel life.
Excuse me, sheepies.
There's a sheep on your drive and there's two on.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Shall I shut my gate?
Isn't it so funny when the protector of the house is on silent mode? Who said only dogs love balls? This raccoon is also a natural-born athlete. Haters will say they're not twins, but who cares?
Hey, come here. What are you doing?
When you're the only one hyped about the weekend plans. The Matrix has nothing on these bunny ninjas. Run for super fun. Who needs Netflix when you have this? It's the most entertaining show in the hood.
Everybody's hungry? Good morning. Oh, good morning.
It turns out that rainbows don't taste like Skittles. Who knew? And that's a wrap on today's dose of animal antics. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, so don't forget to subscribe for more animal adventures. Bye-bye.